nYungang HuanYang Machinery Company developed peanut butter plant with advanced technology. Our customers are satisfied with its quality and performance. It is an automatic plant, easy to work and produces high-quality peanut butter. The main equipment includes roasting machine, belt conveyor, cooling belt conveyor, peanut peeling machine, peanut sorting conveyor, feeding conveyor, peanut butter grinders, butter storage tank, mixing tank, vacuum tank, and storage tank. This is a brief introduction of peanut butter production. First, preheat the roaster to the set temperature. The rotary drum needs to be started before feeding peanuts. This is to avoid the drum deformed after long time heating without rotation. The heat source can be electricity or natural gas. Second, feed the rotary drums one after another, so that the output peanuts are gradually supplied to the following machines. The suggested time interval of feeding is 10 minutes for each drum. Third, when the peanuts are well roasted, release the peanuts from the outlet by a lifting handle. Before releasing, start elevating conveyor, cooling belt conveyor and cooling air fan. Push reverse button to release the roasted peanuts. Peanuts are usually cooled here for 6 to 8 minutes. 4. When the cooling belt starts to convey the cooled peanuts to the peeling machine. Start the peeling machine, peel suction fan and sorting belt conveyor. The sorting belt conveyor is a manual sorting type. It can be replaced by a color sorter machine. 5. Start the peanut butter grinding machines without load before the start of peanut elevator. The feeding speed is adjustable according to the speed of peanut butter grinding. 6. After the peanuts are grinded into butter, it is transported through pumps and pipes. 7. Salt, sugar and other additives are added to the mixing tank. There will be some air bubbles in mixing. These bubbles are removed by a vacuum tank, then the peanut butter is finished and sent to the storage tank by a specialized pump.